All right, in early warning weather alert mode across Connecticut as eventually there's going to be a threat for some thunderstorms and for them to be potentially strong to severe. But right now, early warning pinpoint Doppler, the state's only live radar. You can see the sweep coming from within the borders of Connecticut, showing that we are dry for the time being. But we do have a severe thunderstorm watch that includes a good chunk of Connecticut, especially the interior and as well as western parts of our state. Any storms that do develop and move through, of course, with any thunderstorm could produce lightning, but also perhaps a gusty damaging wind, some small hail, and within the region, there's the chance for some isolated rotation for a little spin up for a tornado. So in the meantime, we've got temps that are still well into the mid and upper 80s, especially along the northwest of I-84, southeast of 84 and along the shoreline. We've got temps in the 70s. Groton, in fact, already down to 67 with that cool water influence from off the sound. The wind elsewhere again south at around 10 to 20 miles an hour. That's helping to bring in this very warm as well as muggy air mass. Dew point values between 65 and 70. So as storms move through, they could also produce some briefly heavy rain, given the atmosphere's got some moisture there in it. So our view from Hartford showing kind of some hazy late day sunshine, 85. A similar scene coming in from New Haven, 76. And our view from New London showing that onshore breeze, again south of 13, temp there 67 degrees. So this is all in advance of course, a cold front. Storms developing well in advance of that through central New England back into New York State, moving into the lower Hudson Valley, south of Albany, also about to work into Philadelphia, those of which are pretty strong there. So a lot of these have been severe, reaching severe limits this afternoon. These storms continue to head in our direction, but with the loss of the daytime heating, the atmosphere will start to stabilize a bit. So they may likely lose some steam as they work across our state. So you can see in advance of that front where we've yet to see rain, temps in the 80s and even low 90s. So FutureCast at 6 o'clock showing storms off to our west, heading into Connecticut. But as we head past 8, 9 o'clock, again, losing a lot of their steam. So by 11, the threat's over. And then overnight tonight, clouds eventually clear out. Any lingering clouds tomorrow morning give way to ample sunshine through our Thursday afternoon. We'll start the day on a fairly mild note, 60 to 65. And by tomorrow afternoon, still reach levels at or above 80 in many communities, which is still about 5 or so degrees above average for this time of year, but it will be noticeably less humid as drier air works in on a northwesterly breeze. Then for our Friday, a primarily cloudy day with rain arriving by the evening commute continuing into Friday night. A nice beneficial soaking rain, just poorly timed as we're kicking off the holiday weekend. So mid 60s with the clouds and rain on Friday, 60s as well on Saturday. Morning showers linger with some partial afternoon clearing. Can't rule out some showers Sunday afternoon, temps still in the mid and upper 60s, then perhaps in the low 70s. Going optimistically dry right now with sun and clouds for Memorial Day Monday, then back to say near 80 inland by Tuesday, mid 70s at the shoreline. Then another chance of rain arrives by late Wednesday of next week.
Mark, thank you very much.